Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Wi-Fi connection by simply using CMD prompt or PowerShell. In this video, I'm going to use CMD prompt and I'm going to show you. You can see in my computer, it's not showing internet connection, but I connected the Ethernet with my computer CPU, but it's not identified network, no internet connection showing. So how we will going to fix this problem by simply using CMD prompt. So first I'm going to click on this start icon and simply search for CMD and make sure I will going to run as administrator, and then I'm going to open the command prompt. So right now I'm going to flush all my DNS server. So for that, what I going to do, I'm going to click on ipconfig. Here I'm going to type ipconfig. And then I'm going to give a space. I'm going to give a / and going to type flushdns. Then going to click enter. And what is it showing that ipconfig is not recognized as internal external? Oh, well, here I made a spelling mistake. That's why it's showing like this. So for the batch file, I'm going to type here ipconfig space / flushdns. Simply type this command and click enter, and you can see right now it's showing Windows IV configuration successfully flushed the DNS resolver cage. You can see. So now what we're going to do, we're going to release the recent IP address from my computer. Click on ipconfig and going to give space / release. Simply like this. I click enter. And what is this showing right now? Windows IP configuration and error occurred while releasing reference interface in the Ethernet. And address has not yet been associated with the network endpoint. So right now in my computer, it's not showing any connection. That's why it's getting this message. So if you're getting this message, then you don't need to be panic about. You're not going to get the message if you have connected with the Ethernet. So what we're going to do, we're going to type another command called ipconfig space / renew and simply click enter. It will going to renew my IP address, and you can see you can get the IPv4 address, subnet mask, default gateway. Basically, it captured that Ethernet I connected in my CPU. It will going to renew the configuration that after typing this command and click enter, then I'm going to configure the Windows IP, and then you can simply see here that our Ethernet connection is rightly showing. So this is how we can simply fix this problem. Now if I just open any of a browser, if I just go for YouTube, you can see YouTube is rightly ongoing in my computer. So my computer Wi-Fi is fixed. But we can go for its another deeper for get a very fresh start. So for that, I can simply type another command called netsh space winsock space reset and simply click enter. It is going to successfully reset the Winsock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. So for the reset, you need to restart your computer right now. It is going to help a lot to get reset your Winsock catalog. So now I'm going to reset the computer. So for that, we're going to go for the start icon and simply go for the restart. And you can see we come up with the restart. The restart is done. And now we're going to open another time CMD prompt for the last command. Click on run as administrator. So our last command is to type here netsh space int space IP space reset. And if you just simply click enter, it will going to set your all setting done. And this time your all problem will be solved. And maybe you can get action will be filled, but you don't need to be panic about, because restart the computer to complete this action. Like if you restart your computer, it will going to make it okay. and you don't need to be worried about. You just simply restart your PC and fix the Wi-Fi problem in your computer. But before that, if you have problems to connect your Ethernet into CPU, if there is the issue, maybe this step will not work. But if your Ethernet is rightly connected and your internet provider is saying that your Ethernet is all okay and your problem is all in your computer, then this is the setting you need to fix your computer Wi-Fi internet. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in another videos. Don't forget to restart PC right now.